Thinking strategies are the foundation for any lesson that I teach. So when I'm teaching, when I'm co-teaching, thinking strategies and workshop model, that's what we do. Thinking about kids with discourse, thinking about kids with innovation, problem solving, just really getting rich lessons where they're having to think for themselves. And I think using thinking strategies as a base for everything we do in Shelby County is why we've been so successful. And the growing of thinking strategies, I think, is why we've seen growing success in Shelby County. When I talk to my kids, I tell them every single part of the workshop model is so important in your lesson. Just from when we start the lesson and we launch and they're problem solving, they're being innovative thinkers. And then when they're having to confer, then they're being effective communicators. And just by having to launch into a lesson and think for themselves and not be given answers right away, this is what makes lifelong learners, which are all elements of Profile of a Graduate.